Modern tropical house design combines the principles of contemporary architecture with the functional needs of tropical climates. This unique architectural style prioritizes natural ventilation, the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, sustainable practices, and a harmonious relationship with the environment. The interiors of a modern tropical house are a harmonious blend of functionality, aesthetics, and connection to nature. These spaces should feel airy, light, and inviting, with a strong emphasis on natural materials, sustainable practices, and a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. An outdoor living space in a modern tropical house serves as a seamless extension of the indoors, providing a comfortable and stylish area to relax, entertain, or enjoy nature. The design should embrace the tropical climate, maximize natural elements, and provide a balance between shade and openness. The facade of a modern tropical house is not only a visual statement, but also a functional element that responds to the climate. A well-designed facade balances aesthetics, functionality, and environmental sustainability. The entryway of a modern tropical house serves as a transition from the exterior environment to the interior sanctuary. It should be inviting, functional, and reflective of the home's tropical aesthetic. The living room in a modern tropical house is the heart of the home, designed to be both stylish and functional while embracing the natural surroundings. It should reflect a balance of comfort, openness, and a strong connection to nature. The dining and kitchen areas in a modern tropical house are often designed to be open, interconnected spaces that promote social interaction and embrace natural elements. These areas blend functionality with a warm, inviting atmosphere, making them ideal for family gatherings and entertaining. bedroom in a modern tropical house is a serene retreat that combines comfort, elegance, and a deep connection to nature. It should feel open, breezy, and inviting while offering privacy and relaxation. The bedroom in a modern tropical house is a serene retreat that combines comfort, elegance, and a deep connection to nature. It should feel open, breezy, and inviting while offering privacy and relaxation. A courtyard is a defining feature in modern tropical house design, offering a tranquil outdoor space that seamlessly integrates with the interior. It provides natural light, ventilation, and a direct connection to nature, while serving as a focal point for relaxation and socializing. A garden in a modern tropical house is more than an outdoor space. It's an extension of the home's living area that reflects tranquility, lush greenery, and sustainable design. Whether it's a sprawling backyard or a compact urban garden, it serves as a peaceful retreat that embraces the natural surroundings. Modern tropical house design is an elegant solution to the challenges of living in warm and humid climates. It combines contemporary aesthetics with functional, sustainable design principles, creating spaces that are as beautiful as they are livable. Whether it's an urban home, a countryside retreat, or a beachfront villa, the principles of modern tropical architecture provide endless possibilities for creativity and innovation.